Ah, wie schön. Die Vögel pfeifen, die Sonne kommt, der Schnee schmilzt, alle sind glücklich.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather
Ist
seems
auch gut
stable.
gelaunt.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there, no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk
Der
about the
Hosea
good
hat
old
recht,
days and
oder?
what's
Ich finde, er
gone
hat recht.
wrong with old Dutch.
Macht euer ruhiges Leben. Gönnt ihr. Lasst die anderen leben, solange sie die leben lassen und dann... Oder? Ich habe das Spiel einfach nicht verstanden. Wow. Wow, wie der Nebel so durchdrückt. So die Sonne meine ich durch den Nebel durch. Oh, episch. Oh. Mogli, bist du auch am Geniessen? Ja. Wow. Machen wir ein bisschen Multitasking. Mogli verschmusen. Und da Pferdli reiten. Los! Das kommt nicht gut. Das kommt nicht gut, Mogli, Schatz. Los!
Get us out the stream. Gotta keep us moving, but calm.
Ja, ich habe den im Griff.
Not too rough there, brother.
So, wir machen eine kurze Ehrenrunde. Eine kurze Ehrenrunde. Wir haben die Ausfahrt verpasst. Jetzt machen wir das so, wie man es auf der Autobahn auch macht. Nein, wir fahren nicht rückwärts. Wir fahren einfach einmal im Kreis. Und dann kommt es gut, Leute.
Ah, shit. Okay,
Oder nicht?
let's take a look.
Oder
You
nicht?
all right back there? Is everything
Alles
look
gut.
all right?
Wir sind
What's going on?
voll auf Kurs.
I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get
Und
it
auch, obwohl ich
fixed.
ganz normal gefahren bin.
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me
Ich
hold
sehe
the
schon
thing up while
Kommentar,
you try and
Frau
put the
am
wheel back
Steuer
on.
und ey,
Still strong
Weh.
enough to hold up a way?
weh, ich habe schon alles gehört.
I'm just saying.
Halt die Klappe, sagt
Say
er.
less.
Er, nicht ich, er. Okay, Rad drehen. Aufheben, so. Rad rollen. So.
Pick the wheel up.
Pass auf deinen Rücken auf. Hexenschuss. Pensionieren lassen. Fertig.
Nearly there.
Haben wir's? Haben wir's? Yes, wir haben's. Wir sind super.
See? You ain't so useless after
Easy.
all.
Ist gar nicht passiert.
Not quite.
Ist alles super, gell, Mogli? Ist alles super. Vorbereitet. Ciao, Mogli. Nicht auf die PC überstehen. Gut. Nicht, dass wieder aus
What do you
Versehen den
think?
PC abschaltest.
If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in.
Get
I'll tell
in.
you.
Get in. Gut. Weiter geht's.
Not too far now. Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left inland.
Wir nehmen die grösste Karte. Die
Yes.
gefällt mir.
The Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country. They lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass.
Oh, die Natur da.
Killed or
Wow.
herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Wow!
Maybe it's
Oh,
not.
ich bin in die Natur
I just
verliebt.
heard some of the army out here was particularly
What
unpleasant
the-
about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify
my
something more
God.
complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me. Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles. Born and bred.
Jetzt habe ich ganz
Just
richtig die
'cause it sounds
Skyrim-Vibes.
fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about.
Ah, wie schön, schau mal. Ah, wie
So-
schön. Hammer.
What happened to
Sorry,
your
so
tribe?
jetzt konzentrieren wir uns wieder aufs
I don't even
Spiel.
know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did, but when we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers captured my mother, took her somewhere. We never saw her again. We drifted around. He was a very sad man, and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
It's a long story.
Haltet mal schnell an.
We still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search
Okay.
of fortune and repose in
Eigentlich
virgin
wollte ich
forests
Kleider
as we
wechseln, weil
planned?
anscheinend ist es
No.
jetzt wärmer.
Are we heading in
Wir
the
müssen
correct
hier
direction
am
on
Wetter
our
entsprechend
desperate escape
bleiben.
from the law
Wow, einfach
eastwards down
Zelt
the mountains?
aufbauen
Yes, I
oder
believe
Feuerli
so.
machen,
You know this area?
A little. Have
geniessen.
been through a couple of times.
Wow.
There's a livestock town
Oder
not too far
Kanus
from here called
packen.
Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws,
da den Fluss
working
drauf.
girls.
Wow,
Our kind
wie
of place.
schön wär's.
Driscoll's?
Probably them too.
Einfach wieder mal
Pinkertons?
paddeln.
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a good place to lie low.
It'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been.
Das ist mega loyal.
You,
Der Arthur
Dutch,
ist einfach so loyal.
We've all
Gut, der ist
been
auch
in
als
this line of
Kind,
work a
glaube ich, vom
long
Dutch
time.
aufgenommen worden.
and we're still here, so I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong.
Hoi Häsli.
What are you
Gute.
working on there, anyway?
Wohl bekommst.
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah,
Ich mag
you
ihn.
can have all this.
Da habe
I'm
ich
at
mir
the
ein
point where I can
Ginsengwurzel.
do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay.
Soll für alles
Thank you.
Mögliche gut sein, habe ich mal gehört sagen. So, jetzt würde ich mal schauen. Bremse doch mal schnell. Oh. Ganz ruhig. So, also. Kann man irgendwo Kleider wechseln? Das ist das Protokoll, das will man eigentlich nicht. Ja. Das geht da nicht, hä? Schade. Tasche. Tasche, so. Die Bandana. Geht in dem Fall nicht. Ausser vielleicht. Hallo. Okay, geht nicht. Vielleicht bin ich dann von der... Wir hätten auch rückwärts fahren können. Warte, probiere ich rasch aus.
Easy, easy.
Ah, okay. Fürs nächste Mal, wenn wir auf der Autobahn die Ausfahrt
Ja.
verpassen. Gott, was ist das für ein schönes Gebiet. Ich habe ja bei Skyrim schon nicht mehr können, aber da... Boah, next level. Oh, wisst ihr, welches Game das richtig krass ist? Halt nicht so echt wie da. Es sieht nicht so echt aus, aber es sieht so mehr so Fantasy-Style aus. Viel mehr als Skyrim, aber wunderschöne Natur. Avatar. Boah! Das erste Mal, als ich dort aus dieser Fabrik rausgeflüchtet bin, aus dem Gebiet von denen, ich weiß nicht mehr, wie die heißen, aber halt die Feinde dort. Und ich das erste Mal in der Natur raus war und dachte, what the Hammer! Krass, er hat es schön gemacht. Einfach Props zu den Graphic Designers vom Avatar-Spiel. Ich weiß nicht, wer es entwickelt hat. Könnte man herausfinden.
Thanks.
Wir müssen... Da wird einer aufsteigen.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Taxometer
Any
läuft.
trouble getting in here, Javier?
Nope. It went well. This is a good spot.
Excellent. I think this will work for us, Arthur. For now, anyway. Here we are, gentlemen. Home sweet home.
Home sweet home. Oh, da gefällt's mir. Da gefällt's mir. Da bleibe ich. Wow.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place is perfect.
Ja, der Dutch sagt's auch.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now,
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us. But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck east of the Grizzlies and out of money, and a long way from our dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother, but we are safe. We make a bit of money here, then we move again, head out around them, be west of Uncle Sam, in a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
Ja, das stimmt. Aber
Gentlemen, I'm
will ja
going to
lange.
head into the local town and, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss. I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather round. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
There is a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it is that you find
denkt gleich immer nur das Fressen der andere.
gets its slice. Now be sensible out there.
The girls have your tent ready, Mr. Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Miss Grimshaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything apart from my money.
Oh, don't remind me.
Well, we can always make more money.
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson, I've seen shit with more common sense than you. Do it properly.
Ist das Mrs. Sadie? Sie, die am Anfang so hure verängstigt und schüch und alles war? Die hat ja nur einen Wandel durchgemacht. Ich glaube, da ist ein richtig guter Zeitpunkt, um hier mal ein Päuschen zu machen. Und dann sehen wir uns beim nächsten Mal wieder. Schön, dass ihr mit dabei gewesen. Dann würde ich sagen, Leute, das war's für heute. Wenn es euch gefallen hat, lasst gerne ein Abo da, einen Daumen nach oben und dann sehen wir uns beim nächsten Mal. Okay, tschüss!